Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I still think this is extremely clearly on the high time frames to be a 1, 2, 3. We are at my next Fibonacci level. Maybe it'll start a push down for the big wave forward and eventually back up for wave 5, but we still can't count on this. I've seen wave 3s extend way, way further than you might think. So the wave 3 could easily just keep on going. So how are we going to know when it's over? We're going to know when it's over when we see a nice break of structure on these sort of time frames. So we got a wave 1, we got a wave 2, and this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we definitely do have 5 waves. So if we do get a nice break of structure to the downside, then that may prove that the wave 3 is over and that we're making a wave 4, and then eventually we will go up for a wave 5. But this all depends on the break of structure because, like I said, Wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. This thing could easily just keep on going up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, my new structure level is right here because that's the new swing low that was made before we made a new swing high. That was like a perfect ABC crescent right there too. So we are sitting at a Fibonacci level, so usually that does indicate that there will be a pullback. But how big of a pullback? Well, if it goes down and breaks structure, I'll definitely start looking for shorts. Otherwise, for me personally, if it does start to go down, I'm still going to be looking for longs at the end because we are in a wave 3, and like I said, wave 3s can go way further than you may expect. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here with the extensions because the Fibonacci 138 and 123 is a very likely area for a turn. And also we got the higher time frame Fibonacci extension here also. But to me it really looks like a 1, 2, 3, which means that even if it does go down, it's probably just a wave forward. It's probably going to go up for a wave 5. Then if we get a break of structure, then we'll know at least this whole trend is over. Unfortunately, the break of structure that's going to tell us the weekly time frame wave 3 is over is way down here. So this break of structure up here definitely will not tell us the big wave 3 is over. This break of structure will only tell us that this one wave is over. It could easily make a crescent to that wave and just keep on trending up. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I was just explaining, it definitely looks like we're in a wave 3 right now, and even the wave 3 is not proven to be over. We are at a pretty key level right here. This was my target for this potential move up right here. So if it does break down, it's probably the end of a wave 3. Then it would probably make a wave 4. Then it would probably go back up again for a wave 5. Then, if it really is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it could turn back down and break structure like that, making a nice complete 5 wave trend. But once it does break down, I'm going to throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last 5 waves up, and I would still primarily be looking for longs because that does not prove that the weekly time frame wave 3 is over. It just proves that this last 5 waves is over. It could just be a big subdivision of that wave 3 on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.